Hey, I'm Liletta, and I want to personally welcome you to the Business Crossing Network. BCN was created because I know firsthand that success isn't just about what you know, it's about who you're connected to. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or professional looking to grow, you're in the right place. Here's what you can expect from this community: networking that actually leads to opportunities. We don't just collect contacts, we build connections. Business resources and education to help you scale and succeed. Visibility for you and your business through our directory, events, and collaborations. Your next step? Get involved. Browse the BCN directory and introduce yourself to other members. Join one of our upcoming events and start making real connections. Follow us on social media to stay in the loop. I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to see you thrive inside this network. Welcome to BCN.